guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my last video, I mentioned that I won the raffle for the Asics Jjjjound Gel-Kayano 14, and I'm so happy that I managed to win the raffle. I feel like I haven't really won anything really good this year, or I haven't even really... Have I entered many raffles? I probably do. The last raffle that I entered was for the Travis Lowe's. Okay, I'm sure you guys all entered the raffle supply and we all got L's. I'm sure some of you guys managed to get a pair, but obviously I didn't. Anyway, back to these sneakers. I'm so happy that I won the raffle at Highs and Lows for these. Highs and Lows is a store based in Perth, and I actually visited that store like years ago when I went to Perth that one time, and I was happy that they actually stocked like smaller sizes for this particular release, because there were other sites that had the raffle on, but the smallest was like a men's US 8, which is like 2 sizes from my true to size. So I don't think I'll be able to pull off like a men's US 8 because I'm not very tall. So imagine if I'm wearing like size 8 shoes. I don't think that's a look. But anyway, this is the Gel-Kayano 14. Sorry, I just wanted to show you guys the box, but this is what they look like. So in this release there were 2 colorways, and initially I couldn't decide which colorway I wanted, and then I like spent like a good half an hour just looking at photos of the shoes before it dropped, and then I realized, okay, the one with the black and the cream midsole is definitely the one I prefer. But I do think the all white colorway looks really clean, but if I had to pick between the two, this is definitely the one I'd go for. So as I mentioned before, this is the Gel-Kayano 14, and this silhouette originally released in 2008. Again, it's very in line with that 2000 sort of running sneaker with all the metallic detail and contrasting panels and the mesh. I know quite a few people went super hype about this collab, but I think it's just a nice pair to like have in my collection. I told you guys that I really wanted it, but then I feel like if I didn't get this for retail, then I probably wouldn't have paid resale for it, if that makes any sense. Like, it's nice to have, but I don't think it's like super essential to have it in your collection. But yeah, I'm just happy that I got them and I've worn them already. They're super comfortable. I would say they fit true to size because I got this in a men's US 6 and they feel really good on feet. Again, it is a running sneaker, so you can see that the silhouette is that very like old school retro kind of vibe, and I'm into that because you guys know that recently I unboxed the New Balance This Is Never That 1906Rs, and they've dropped like some GR colorways in that, and I think they actually look pretty fresh. There's one that's white silver with like a little bit of gold detailing, and I feel like that looks really good. So if you weren't able to get the This Is Never That collab one, the GR colorway is actually pretty nice. And this is so off track, I think I've decided that the sizing for the 1906R, if it's a little bit snug, so I'd recommend going half a size up. I think I've decided that that is the sizing I'm gonna say, okay? Anyway, let's get back to these Asics Jjounds. I feel like I don't have too much to say about them. Number one, because I don't really have a lot of Asics sneakers, and I feel like in terms of a collaboration, I guess it's very in line with like Jjound's sort of simplistic, minimalist kind of aesthetic. So there isn't too much crazy details going on the sneaker. I feel like overall it's a very clean colorway. You can see there is the Jjound branding on the heel of the right foot of the sneaker, and then on the left foot you'll see that it says Gel-Kayano 14, and I'm pretty sure most or all Gel-Kayano 14 have this detail on the heel. A lot of people that I know just think that there's nothing too special about these and you're pretty much just getting it because it is a Jjound collab, and I agree. But yeah, I just really wanted a pair. But like I said, if I didn't get it for retail, then I don't think I would have paid resale for them. I think they look really clean. Love the silver detailing. And you can see there's this nice off-white creamy laces that matches the midsole. They also give you a set of like white laces, but I'm gonna keep it with these ones here because yeah, I think the color combination is really good. Overall, a nice minimal kind of vibe, everyday sneaker. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good cop. Not mad about that. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys today, I thought I'll do like a mini little try on haul because I picked up some clothes from up there, and they're mostly Kapital needles Wait, there's also Orslow in there, so I thought I'll do like a very unprofessional like try on my mirror, because I don't know, my place is a bit messy right now and I kind of want to set you guys up and I'll like try on stuff, but it's too much of a mess and I don't feel like organizing at the moment, so I think I'll just do it in my little mirror that I usually show you guys my outfits with. One of the things that I picked up recently is also this needles like crew neck. So I have the matching track pants, but I don't think I'll wear them together because I don't think that's the look I'm going for. So these are the track pants. They come in a narrow and a standard one, but I got the standard one and I got this in a size small and they fit me pretty good, and I'm surprised the length isn't super long. I do wear it quite high-waisted though. Keep in mind my height is like 5'2", so use that for sizing reference, but I generally wear like small in bottoms, and then this one here is a medium, but I do feel like it fits quite big. You can't really tell because I'm sitting down, so okay, let's go over there so I can show you guys properly. By the way guys, if it looks a little bit messy in the background, okay, just ignore it. Why does my mirror look so dirty? I actually just cleaned it before I started filming, but I wanted to quickly show you guys this needles like crew neck. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit big. This is a size medium. I think I probably could have gone with a size small, and with my pants, I don't think I've showed you guys either. So this is a new pair of fatigues that I got from Engineered Garments. I really like their pants. I think they're really well made, and I love all the little pocket details. You can see here, there's like a zipper here, and it does fit a little bit big on me. I do have an extra small on at the moment. I find that Engineered Garments do fit a little bit big, but there is drawstrings inside, so you can always like tighten it if you need to. But I really love these, and I love me some olive pants, so I decided to get these. And also with my shoes, I don't know whether I'm meant to show you yet. So the reason for this haul was because I wanted to take like an outfit photo thing for these Air Max ones. I think I'll do a proper unboxing later on when it's like closer to the release date, but yeah, that is what they look like. Okay, so that is what I'm wearing like today. Currently, I showed you guys this Kapital bucket hat that I got last time, but I want to show you these track pants on. I'm definitely very late to this needles track pants game, but I finally got myself a pair and they're really nice and comfy. I'm not gonna wear it together with this because I don't know, that's not really the look I'm going for. I might try it on with this needles like denim jacket. Okay, give me one sec. So what I have on now is the needles assorted patches jacket. I really love all the little patches on the jacket. You guys can see here that is the needles like butterfly embroidery. So what I have on is a size small. As you guys can see, it does fit quite oversized. There's also, oh my god, can you guys even see? What am I trying to do? I'm trying to show you. There is like a butterfly embroidery on the back. I'll take it off later to show you guys. This is like the worst try on b-roll, whatever this is. But yeah, you can see there's also another butterfly patch here with the needles branding and this little peace sign and pockets over here. But I think overall it looks pretty nice. I'm sorry the lighting keeps going like different colors, like it's very orangey and now it's back to normal again. There's also a little bit of distressing on this denim jacket, but I love the wash of it and I think the fit is pretty good. And this is what the track pants look like on. I got a size small and this is the not narrow one. I haven't tried the narrow one on myself, but for some reason I was like, I don't want no narrow track pants, so I went for the straight leg instead. And yeah, I love how they fit. This is what they look like. I just got like a plain white t-shirt on underneath, and if this is a little bit big for you, they do have drawstrings on the inside if you need to. So yeah, they fit me pretty good. Again, I got this in a size small, and I think for the most part, I don't even really know my pant size, maybe like 27 or 28. Maybe, I could be wrong, but generally I wear small in like most pants. And also guys, I need to get my hair done. Look, what's going on here? My roots have grown out so much and that's why I've been wearing like a lot of hats. Anyway, ignore the hair. We're here to look at the outfit. So I think overall it looks kind of good together. It's sort of like a needles fit. Very nice and casual and comfy. And I think they go well with the shoes. I actually have another pair of like 97s I want to try on. So I may put that on for the next fit. So I might try on, oh, this two here is like some Kapital like long sleeves. And I really like them. Well, this is like the worst b-roll. Okay, they are called the Hippie Sleeve, and look at all the little details on the sleeve. I got them in two colorways, so I got them in black and green. I'm wearing a size 3 in this Kapital long sleeve, and look at how cute the little sleeve detail is. You can see all the like smiley faces and the different like textures and material that they've used. Hopefully this is in focus. I think this long sleeve is a definite must cop, and I've changed back to the engineered garments fatigues just so that I can show you guys properly. I don't think I showed you guys that well before. And like I said, there is a drawstring because as you guys can see, this is a little bit big on me, but extra small is the smallest that they have it in. So I just decided to get it. And I don't know if you guys can see, it has a really nice, oh my god, sorry about the fluff, but it has a really nice like herringbone sort of material. And I've changed into the 97s, which again, I don't know if I'm supposed to show you guys yet because these sneakers are releasing at the end of the month. And then I wanted to show you the details on the Needles denim jacket. Oh my god, what am I trying to do? This is what the back of the Needles jacket looks like. So that is the butterfly embroidery, and then you can see some distressing over here, which I think looks pretty cool. And you can also tighten it at the back to give the jacket a little bit more shape. And yeah, I really love this jacket. They also have a pair of jeans to go with this, but I thought it'll be too much to wear the two things together, so I decided to go with the jacket instead. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. I have on another pair of fatigues, but this one here is from Orslow, and I really like this khaki tan colorway because I wanted to match the outsole of the sneakers, and I think they look pretty good. So this one is just the regular fit one. They also have one that's like in the slim version, but I much prefer the cut of this. And this is a size 1, which is a size 28, so hopefully that is somewhat helpful to you guys. But yeah, I think it is a very nice pair of pants, and with the zip hoodie, it is from Kapital, and this is a size 2. So again, a little bit oversized because 2 is a medium, I want to say. So yeah, I like how it looks. It's really nice and comfy. It's like a little bit fleecy on the inside, and on the back here, you can see it's in this, is this nylon? Wait, what is this? Sorry, I'm very bad at describing things, guys. I should probably look up the material on this, but it is a really nice sort of casual hoodie, nice and cozy. And then with the cap, I'm wearing a Nanamika cap, and I just really wanted to like have a different look, and I guess they kind of go with the sneakers. You guys know that I always wear bucket hats, so I thought it would be a nice change to wear a cap instead, and I feel like the color goes pretty well together as a fit. I haven't fully decided like what I'm gonna wear with these sneakers as well as those ones over there, but yeah, that was the plan anyway. Or maybe the green. I don't know why I thought the green might have been a good idea. I will change into that and show you guys as well. So I thought I'll sit down to show you guys the green long sleeve, because look at the sleeves, how cute are the details. And you can also see like this smiley here is embroidered, the rest is sort of printed on, and there's this, I don't even know what's the name of this material. I guess this is sort of wool. I'm wondering how to like wash or launder this because there's so many different types of material on this. I'm sure I'll figure it out, but I think the green is also a really nice color. They have this in a bunch of different colors that up there, and I want to get all of them, but they're like a little bit expensive. So we can't be out here trying to buy all of them, but I highly recommend them if you guys are looking for like a nice long sleeve tee. This is definitely my style. And yeah, guys, I feel like this is sort of a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up recently. Hopefully you were able to see what I was trying to show you, because that was not very professional with my little like mirror try on kind of thing. If you have more questions about the things that I picked up, definitely leave it in the comments below. And like I said, the reason for the haul was because I wanted to put together some fits for like some Air Maxes that I'm meant to be shooting tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know if I'm meant to show you guys this, so I'm not going to do like a proper unboxing just yet, but I'm sure you guys saw a little bit of it and I think they look pretty cool. So the colorway is predominantly like navy green and the 97s have a gum outsole, so I was trying to go with those colorways to put the fits together. So yeah, hopefully they looked okay. I might try them on again with the shoes because I just can't decide which fit I want with which shoes. I think I'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also just ignore, like, I don't know what's going on with my skin these days, guys. I think I'm eating too many cheesecakes. I just made muffins yesterday and I already ate 2, okay? So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye!